Hey, what's up? Kerwin P. Slippers here, and I'm doing an update video. I know, I said next time you're gonna see it, it's all gonna be done, and I'll unveil it to you, but I lied. Ran into a couple of things, but I'm gonna share them with you so you can see what's up. So I was missing a few things on this tractor when I was putting it back together, and I was thinking about maybe fabbing up some things and maybe doing some custom things, but then something came along which worked out great in my favor. Customer had a tractor that was pretty much just like this one, just 2 years older than this one, and pretty much it had a bunch of the parts that I was looking for. So let's check it out. I'm gonna have to get some more stuff powder coated by my boy Jeffy. So here's what we got. That other tractor had the seat that I was looking for, because mine had some seat on it that had padding and all that, and I was wanting more of this like original metal seat. So that tractor had it, and that's awesome. That's what I want. So I'm gonna have them powder coat this white. That's the white bin right there. Also has the weights on the back for the tires. So I'm gonna slap those babies on. That'll go good with that plow that I got. Oh yeah. There's one little thing I want to mention. Somebody sent me some tire spoons. I don't know who did. They didn't say who, but thank you. These are awesome. I love tools. I love free tools especially. So maybe when I put those on there, I'm probably gonna put the weights in between on a dual wheel. I'll give you a little teaser. You can see that little dual mock-up right there. So the weights are probably gonna go somewhere in the middle. Alright, I showed you too much. Put that down. Thanks again for the tire spoons. These are awesome. Where was I? Okay. Getting these babies powder coated black. So I'm gonna put these in this crate for Jeff. Had a 3-point hitch on the back. You know I snagged that off of there. So I'm gonna get this white, put this in the bin right here with the seat. Took everything all apart. You don't want to watch me do all that stuff. That would be boring. So I got it separated out, make it nice and easy. The best part was it had the side cover that was missing, that I was looking for. I was thinking about putting a screen on the side, but luckily this was on there. Helps out a ton. Cracked in a couple of spots on the sides there. I did my best welding job, as you can see. Have Jeff powder coat this baby red. Put that in red. Alright, these are for the seat. I go black on these. 36 on black. Roulette. I'm not much of a gambler. Alright. This is for the hitch. Black on that. I think I wrote on here white as part of the hitch. You'll see when I get back and get it all powder coated. I was also missing some stuff for the plow on the front. Elkskin sold me that plow and it was missing some things. Luckily this other tractor had the plow on it and it had all the little goodies that I was missing. Here they are. These levers I was missing. I'm gonna have them powder coat this white. Another lever. There. This one has a little bit different setup for when you want to shift the plow in the front, like a different angle. So I like this setup better. I'm gonna run with this. I'm gonna get these powder coated instead and put it on mine. Throw these up in here. The white one. Go white on that. We're gonna go black on this piece. Here's a couple more pieces for the plow. Go red. red on these bars that we're missing. And we're going red on these too for the 3-point hitch. And I'll clean up all the hardware and stuff. Alright, on to the next thing. When I got the hood back, I was thinking, yeah, it looks great and all, but I don't know, maybe I should switch it up and go something different. And here's what I'm going to go with. This super sick Saber Hood. We're going to throw this baby on there. Really jazz it up a little bit. No, I don't think so. Why would I put this thing on there? This thing's junk. This thing out of here. It's got a real hood on it. Ugh. Can't believe that thing. Alright, here it is. Well, just kidding, I'm not going to show it to you. But, we're thinking about stocking these pretty cool tractor covers. I'm talking to the guys that run the web store, and I'm telling them you need to start carrying these. I don't know. What do you think? You guys would buy something like this? That'd be pretty cool. I like this cover. It's pretty nice. And it's got these locks on the bottom on each side. Make it nice and tight. Here it is. The tractor that Taryl got off that guy. 1967 is what the paperwork said. So that would make it a little bit older than mine, because mine's a 69. I took all the stuff off of it that I needed. So it's got the plow on it, it had the 3-point hitch on the back. I already took all that stuff off, took the seat off. The grill on this one's a little bit different. I need to put some mesh on my grill still, but I'm not gonna put that stuff in there. That's pretty roached out. Same with the deck. I don't want the deck off this. I'm gonna leave the deck off of mine. That deck's pretty well shot. And the transmission's a little bit different than mine. It doesn't have the speeds and stuff. The high and the low. But other than that, a lot of it pretty much looks the same. If I need to make a reference, at least I got something to look at now. Alright, it's cold out here. Let's head back inside. Take a look at that steering wheel. My steering wheel's all cracked out. Look at these. Right there. Right there. On the back. Taryl said he had a way of fixing those. I don't know what it is. Let's find out.
Let's see the steering wheel. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's got some cracks in there. Fortunately for you, I've got something that can fix those cracks. Taryl putty, which we sell in our online store. We're gonna mix up some of this putty, smush it in those cracks, and then we'll clean it up, sand it, and then you can paint it.
Really? Wow, that's pretty awesome.
Taryl putty, get it in our online store.
Let's prep this baby. Before I can put the putty in, I'm gonna need to open up these cracks a little bit so the putty will get in there and seal nice and good. So I'm gonna use this bit that we got from Easy Thread. Check them out. The bits are for like chasing threads and whatnot, but you can use them for a bunch of other stuff too. Here we go. Got them sliced in there. That bit worked pretty nice from the Easy Thread. Check them out. Pretty cool. So now I'm ready to mix up some putty and then start packing it in there. Look at that. See if we got my boy's face on it. Check that out, that's pretty sweet. Alright, cut a little chunk off. Taryl says use some gloves. That way that stuff don't get all on your fingers. Luckily I got some gloves right here. Gotta knead this stuff up, get it all mixed together. That way it's gonna stick into that crack. I guess this stuff's good for powder coating. Can withstand up to 500 degrees. So it's good for filling in little pits. Stuff's like Bondo for powder coating. My boy Jeffy buys this stuff by the case. Constantly using it. That's how good it is. Can withstand that heat. Stuff's awesome. I love it. Get it in the web store. Look at that. Once it dries, we can sand on it. It'll look like brand new. Putty's on. Cracks are filled. Now we just gotta let it dry. That's gonna take a few hours, so tomorrow when I come in, start filing and sanding on it. Then we can paint it, get it back on there. One more step closer to completion. Alright, so that putty's all hardened and good to go. I filed it down and sanded up the steering wheel, so ready to throw a coat of paint on it now, get it back to looking new.
Alright, Mr. Cameraman, I'm done making my poop face, so let's go and film that.
What the heck is this? I'm filming my video right now. You can't take him, he's mine.
He's my cameraman, and I need him to film that fuel experiment video.
Alright, whatever. Can I at least go?
Yeah, sure, I don't see why not. Here, hold this.
I don't want this.
Hold that. Alright, let's go. Alright. Get out of the way, cameraman.
This should be pretty fun. I never got to do one of these. Oh, man. What's up? I'm back. That fuel experiment, that was pretty interesting. You're gonna wanna check that out. All right, so let's get back to my stuff over here. This is ready for painting, so we're gonna do that. And then once that's done, we can put it on. I gotta finish the wiring. I'm almost done with that. Put the screen in the grill. And I'm waiting for those parts from Jeff. He's powder coating them. He picked them up this morning, so when I get those back, I'll be able to put them on. And that's pretty much it. Oh, I am waiting for a pulley too. And we gotta tweak the muffler a little bit. And then that should be it. And then I'll do the video where it's completed. Then you can finally check it out. So let me give you a little teaser right now. How do you like that? How do you like that? Alright, you've seen too much. So make sure you keep your eye out for the completed version of this baby. So make sure you subscribe to Taryl Fixes All and ring the bell so you get the notifications. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, all that good stuff. And keep watching with us. And like I always say, there's your supper.